Hello, my name is Jack from Katahdin Fly Work, and I'm here to show you how to tie the Mickey fin. So first off, we're going to start off our thread. Make sure your vise is tightened enough. That might help you during your tying process. Right here, we're just going to start off our thread. I'm using black 140 Diener uni thread, ultra thread, sorry, my bad. So we're just going to start off the thread. Just going to start it right about 2.5, 3 eye lengths back from the eye. And we're going to grab some of our gold tinsel. It's actually gold and silver, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to call it gold. Make sure when you're cutting it off, you're going to cut off a good size piece, like 6 or 7 inches. And the more you have, most of the time I like to use a little bit less, but for this, it's always good to have a little bit more. I always like to put the rubber band that it comes with back on after I use it. This helps keep it secure and not going everywhere. You're going to want to tie it. It doesn't matter what side you put up. I usually like to put the silver side up. Sorry, the gold side up. Just going to start it off, trim it now, you can trim it later. Usually like to just do it now, so you don't forget about it later. Alright, I just want to bring your thread back. You want to secure it, but you don't want to let go of it. If you have a bobbin holder and you kind of know how to put your bobbin in the bobbin holder without unraveling everything, you can do that. I find that sometimes helps. Now we're just going to flip it. Make sure you don't cut your thread. Alright, so first things first, we're going to start off. You can use different color patterns. Usually most people do like a white or a yellow in the middle, sorry, on the bottom. And then most people then put like a red or a chartreuse in the middle, then the same as your bottom on top. One important thing to remember is you don't want to get too close to your eye, which will really annoy you when you're if you get too close to your eye at the end, it'll really what can happen is sometimes it'll like keep peeping over. It'll make it really hard to tie in. So you always want to stay about as far away from the eye as you can. Now something that I learned to do was you want to kind of put a little lump right here, which will help elevate your bucktail. Which I haven't mentioned, that's what the yellow stuff is. So let's trim that off. Next up, we're going to use some red bucktail. Right. Now we're just going to tie that on right here. Remember, don't creep up too far forward towards your eye. Trim. Just find out exactly what is about the best spot to trim. I was going to do a little bit of an angle just so that it can come in. Angle at the end. If you have any fibers that are just coming too far to the side or something, you can just trim those. You don't have to worry about getting them all the way. And then just do a little bit more of your first color. In this case, I'm using yellow. Just take some of that. I'm just going to tie some on right here. As we can tell, I just did the thing that I warned you guys all not to do. So if you did that, what I like to do is then just go under your thread. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time and patience. You just want to go take your thread, fold it backwards, and then just folds backwards, but this makes it a little bit more difficult to cut. If you want to be able to fish it, kind of got to do that. You can rotate it a little bit if you need. Gonna kind of finish this off. Really, one thing that makes the Mickey fin a big staple is it has a big head. When you're tying it, that's always like, usually most flies have a little bit smaller head, but this one you just want to have a little bit of a bigger head. Then I'm gonna apply a little bit of BT's Sink Easy onto the top of this. If you want, you can apply it to the bottom. Now we're just going to whip finish, and I always find if you use a tool, it always helps to have more thread than you think you're going to need, because just life happens sometimes. always make sure, because sometimes they don't always work out the right way, just make sure you can't continue wrapping it, because if you continue wrapping it, that means it didn't work. All you gotta do, don't drop scissors into your trash can, and then trim it. There you go. We have just successfully remade the Mickey fin. It worked. It should come out something like this. Might change a little bit. I was using synthetic bucktail. If you're using natural, then it's going to look a little bit different on the side. Sometimes different sides have different colorations. There you go. See you next time on Katahdin Fly Works.